Morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes. A revision assignment key of 9th class dated on 8th July 2020. The topic is linkers. Combine the following sentences with the linkers given in brackets. So in brackets, after every question, clue is given. One linker is given in brackets. By using that, so you have to combine the given sentences. First one, he opened the door, he heard a sound. Combine by using when. So the answer for this one is when he opened the door. When he opened the door, he heard a sound. Full stop. When he opened the door. So what is linker here? When. When a sentence begins with when, from when to this comma, this is subordinating clause. Next part is main clause. Okay, why it is subordinating? For full meaning, it depends upon this sentence. So it is main clause or independent clause or principal clause. This one is subordinating clause or dependent clause. It depends on this sentence. So this is linker. When is linker? This sentence we can write like this also. When he heard a sound, he opened the door. That is also right. Second one, there was no power, he lit a lamp. He lit a lamp. So combine by using what? So. The linker, so. The answer for this one is there was no power. So he lit a lamp. Right children? There was no power, one sentence. So he lit a lamp, another sentence. These two are connected by so. This is linker. Third one, she worked hard, she failed the test. Combine by using yet, yet, yet. Yet is equal to but. Means so this one is positive, so our doing work is positive, our getting result is negative, right? So contradictory sentences are connected by yet or but. Now when we combine these two, she worked hard yet she failed the test. Full stop. She worked hard yet she failed the test. Like this, right? At. So this is a linker. It connects these two sentences. Okay, then I left the room, my father came. Combine by using before. Say when before is used, we can write the answer in two ways. Simple past plus simple past with past perfect tense. Okay. When two actions take place simultaneously without much gap, we can write both the sentences in simple past tense using the linker or the conjunction because. Okay. The answer for this one is I left the room. I left the room before my father came. Before my father came. Okay, so what is connector here? Linker. Before. Next, Fifth one, I finished my dinner, then I went out to play. What is the linker given in brackets? As soon as. See, as soon as I finished, as soon as I finished my dinner, I went out to play. As soon as I finished my dinner, I went out to play. So what is linker here? As soon as. Next, sixth one. He saw a snake, he ran away. Combine by using when. So this one very simple. When he saw a snake, when he saw a snake, comma, he ran away. He ran away. So when is the linker or connector here? When he saw a snake, he ran away. Or he ran away when he saw a snake. They were happy, they got a prize by using because. The answer for this one is they were happy because they got a prize. So what is the connector here, linker? So because. They were happy because they got a prize. Because they got a prize, they were happy. So that is also right. We are hard working, we can easily get good jobs. What is the linker here? So that. Simply in the place of this full stop, right, when we keep so that becomes the answer. Okay, we are hard working so that we can easily get good jobs. Ninth one, Rajesh ran fast, he could not catch the train. If you carefully observe the given sentences, right, they are contradictory sentences. One positive, one negative. Okay, right? He ran fast, that is positive action. But what is the result? He could not catch the train. Negative result. He received negative result. Combine by using though. So the answer for this one is though Rajesh ran fast, he could not catch the train. Though Rajesh ran fast, he could not catch the train. What is the connector or linker here? Though, right? Next, last one. John sang well, he got all applause. Applause means we know very well, praisings. Okay, combined by using as, since, because, now that. So these all give same meaning. Now the answer for this one is as John sang well, comma, he got all applause, full stop. So what is linker here? As. Right, children? Actually this part, by learning this part or linkers or conjunctions, we can learn phrases and clauses, especially clauses, main clauses and subordinating clauses. Okay children, I hope you understood it. Thank you. All the best.